Welcome, in front of me I have a Google Pixel Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to take screenshots on this watch. So if you want to take a screenshot of your watch, first you need to go to the screen you want to capture, of course. So for example, let's open, I don't know, maybe Music app. Oh no, that's a recorder, my bad. That's not Music app. Music app is right here. Okay. And let's say you want to take a screenshot of maybe some song playing or something like that. You can take a screenshot by pressing the crown button and the upper button together. Once you press them, you will see this animation on the screen. And once you see the animation, it means that you took a screenshot. And to view the screenshots, you will need to grab the phone that your watch is paired with. Let me actually do this, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we need to open the Photos app. So let's find the Photos application. And once you open the photos, you go to Collections or Albums and then tap on this device, for example. And here we have the watch screenshots and we can open it and we have screenshots from our watch. Okay, and that's how you take screenshots on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.